my loves, it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And today, my loves, we're gonna make something simple, a nice delicious side dish that you could eat with anything. It's fried cabbage and string beans. So delicious, straight to the point, simple, so vibrant, so yummy. Guys, you know what? Let's just get to it. My love, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. Okay, so we have some cabbage, guys. Some oil. We have some house seasoning. We have some black pepper, some paprika, some red pepper flakes, some vinegar, some butter, some nice frozen green beans, and a nice pepper and onion blend, which I got from Walmart. It's already cut up onions and peppers because I didn't feel like cutting anything up. Hello. Okay, so we have our cabbage. We're gonna cut them into shreds, you know, make nice slices. As you can see, I was going in on this cabbage. Okay, it's just for me and my husband anyway. I love cabbage, love, love, love cabbage. And guys, the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Okay, so we're making some nice slices. And you know what, this is quite filling. I love it because, you know, it's vegetables, it's healthy. You know, I mean, even though this is a side dish, I ate it by itself anyway. But anyway, you're gonna take a nice big bowl of cold water and you're gonna throw in your cut shredded cabbage and you're gonna rinse it. You know how I get down. I like to wash everything. Just make sure there's no grit, dirt, I don't know, any pesticides, anything like that. So there's nothing wrong with just taking the time, putting in a little bit of water just to rinse it off, okay? Okay, so now we got our nice hot pan here. We're going to add our oil, a little butter. Okay, and I'm adding the butter for flavor, of course. And the oil is going to help me really get that sauteing action going. Okay, so we're going to do this on a medium-high heat, guys, because we're frying the cabbage. I want to hear that sizzle, you know. Okay, so once we get our pan, guys, nice and hot with the oil and the butter, we're going to start sauteing our peppers and onions. If you have some fresh garlic, guys, go ahead and add that. You know, just saute it for about a minute or two. Okay, and now we're going to add our frozen green beans. And guys, you know, you can add as much green beans as you want, okay? If you just want to just do the cabbage, go ahead, just do the cabbage. But this combination is really, really good. Okay, so I'm adding my beautiful shredded cabbage. And guys, color in food is, you know, shouldn't just taste good, but it should also look appealing. So don't be afraid to add color to your food, because you see the green. If you want to use purple cabbage, you can too. If you want to add a mixture of white and purple cabbage, go ahead. You know, I just, you know, well, I guess because the white cabbage will be like the main backdrop color. And then you'll have the green popping out. Then we have the red peppers in there. Come on. That's appealing. So, you know, I'm just tossing my beautiful veggies in our butter and oil. Okay, so now I'm going to add my house seasoning, guys. I didn't have any fresh garlic, but please go ahead and add fresh garlic. Okay, I didn't have any, but I already had it in my house seasoning blend. This is garlic, sazon completo, and some chicken bouillon seasoning. That's my little house seasoning. Adding my black pepper, my paprika, okay, and my red pepper flakes. Okay, we're gonna toss that together and get that nice sizzling action going. Tossing it in that beautiful fat. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Don't forget to press that notification bell. Get weekly updates on all of my dishes. Like, share it, let everybody know. Your friends, your neighbors, your cousins, your sisters, your brothers. I don't know, let everybody know. Jackie's cooking. Okay, so now, as you can see, that beautiful, you know, we're tossing this for at least a few minutes because we're frying this. You could serve this with a nice side of chicken, I don't know, fish, anything you want. You could eat it solo. Okay, so now I'm going to add my beautiful vinegar. And the reason why I'm adding the vinegar, there's something about the vinegar, the little twang undertone with the fried cabbage that's amazing. Okay, it just perks up that color. It gives it a little bit of, I don't know, just that slight little color tone in your palate, you know? So I'm just going to toss that a little bit more. Make sure everything's tossed with that vinegar. Okay, and then after that, we're going to cover this, and I'm just going to let it cook for, 3 minutes. I'm not letting it, cook all the way like that, because I don't want it to be all wilty and stuff. Now, if that's what you want, fine. I like a little crunch. You know, I like a little crunch, a little body, a little bite in my fried cabbage. Okay, and there you go. Look at that. Doesn't that look so delicious? Really, really good. Simple, quick. Let's plate it up. And we're going to go in. Do a little taste test. Look at that. Doesn't that look so pretty? You have the white, the green, the red, and it's simple. It's quick. It could feed a large amount of people. You know, it's inexpensive, and it's just so good. I really, really enjoyed this, you know, and, you know, you could adjust it. If you want to add corn, go ahead. You want to add, some people add potatoes. They'll make like a fried cabbage shuffle. Just have fun with it. Just know that this is something that's economical. It's quick and simple. And that's what we want nowadays, something that's quick and fast, because we live busy lives, you know. But guys, I want you to enjoy this. I want you to love one another, respect one another, and let's enjoy good food. Good food always brings people together. Okay? Enjoy.